Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. Today, y'all, guess who I got in the kitchen with me?
You know I had to come.
I got my husband in the kitchen with me today. We're going to be making hot fried mustard fish. You got it. We're going to be frying y'all some good old hot fried tilapia fish. And we're all gonna try this new Kentucky Fried seasoned fresh fried fish. Brand new. We all gonna try it together.
We're gonna try it together, baby. Let's do it.
You good with that?
I'm good.
You good with that? All right. So all it takes is 2 ingredients, y'all. So we got this right here. I purchased this, guys, from Walmart. I found this at Walmart. And we also gonna use mustard. Yellow mustard. So 2 ingredients, that's all we're gonna use. Because before, when we did a video with the chicken with the kernel fried, we didn't need no more ingredients.
No, we didn't.
I didn't need no more ingredients because this holds enough season. So you don't want to overpower your food, your poultry, your fish. You don't want to overpower it. So this is going to be all the season we need. All right. So we already got
the grease.
The grease.
Okay.
Canola oil. I'm using canola oil in my frying pan. You can use a deep fryer, frying pan, whatever floats your boats and whatever works for you. And I got it where we can deep fry it. Now, if you choose not to deep fry it, you know when you cooking the fish, I advise you to cook it 3 minutes, 4 minutes on one side, flip it over. But today we're just gonna drop it in the grease.
Okay.
All right, you ready to help me?
I'm ready to help you, baby.
Okay, so we already got our fish cleaned off, dried off. I like to pat my poultry dry so that it can absorb the seasonings, absorb the powder we're going to use, the flour we're going to use, and it can stick so it can be crunchy.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to make it crunchy today.
Okay.
Okay, so while we letting the grease get hot, the canola oil, I need you to help me, babe. If you could, babe, help me put the fish in there and get some mustard on it for me, okay?
Okay.
Like I said, y'all.
So do you want me to put the mustard on first, then put it in there, or just put
You can put it in there and put the mustard on.
Okay.
That's how we're gonna do that.
Okay.
And then I got a bag.
So do I put one in, or I can put a lot?
You can put them all in.
Okay.
Yep. Put them all in and just stir that up.
Okay.
Okay. And then I put the Kentucky Fried Kernel seasoning in a plastic bag, and we shake it up. If you want to put it in a bowl, mix it up that way. You can do it either which way that works for you. Okay. So while you're doing that, I'm going to set this to the side. We're going to bring this on down so they can see what you over here doing. It's nothing like having your family, your husband, kids in the kitchen helping you sometimes. You know, sometimes you do need your space. I like my space, but I enjoy when they come in and help me out. A big help. So he's getting all the mustard all around. Yep, get that mustard all in. The mustard just bring a different type of taste to it, like a twangy taste. And that's what I want, a little twangy, spicy little taste to it. Thank you kindly.
No problem.
Okay, so yep.
I'm gonna throw these gloves away.
Okay, done deal. And we're gonna get over here and get ready to drop this fish in. I'm only gonna do like a couple at a time so it can get battered up.
You're gonna get the dropping.
Stop, pop, lock, drop. Fried fish. And we're gonna get the dropping it in. All right. See, I got it all over the fish, and we're just gonna get the dropping. We're gonna let them stay in there a good 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I'm gonna come back and tell you about how much time it takes. And we all gonna taste this together.
Yeah.
All right, Colonel, come on through. Okay, guys, so you see that? Let the grease get piping hot before you throw your fish in, and let it get to frying. And we'll be back and show you guys the finished result. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
See y'all later.
Okay, guys. So remember, a good 6 minutes. If you want it harder, you cook it harder. Oh, I guess you want to put on your tasting gear, huh?
You know I had to do it.
I guess he want to put on his tasting gear. You about ready to taste it?
I'm ready to taste it, baby. Let's do it.
Okay, here you go. Hot fried fish. Mustard fried fish. All right, here we go. Yummy. Let's get to tasting around here. All right, Mr. Geary, let me go ahead and get you a little bit. You got to tell the people the honest truth on how it tastes so they can know what to do, okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to tell them the truth about it.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
Well, can I get started?
Get started on the fish. We're going to bring it up to them and let them see.
Hey.
Got that hot fried fish, just some collard greens, some mashed potatoes and gravy, and bread. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Okay.
You don't have to do nothing else to this.
You don't?
Nah.
Thank you, Lord, for this food.
This fish right here, the bomb.
Is it? Okay, let's see.
The bomb. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for saying the bomb, but I'm at home. The bomb.
It's good, guys. So I cooked it for a good 6 minutes. See there? Yummy. Let y'all take a little piece. It's good. Try it. Try it. And usually with the tilapia, some people don't like it, but it's good. Fried with catfish, tilapia, cod. I recommend to use this. Sound all right?
Hey, that's good.
I can use it again
Oh, yeah, you
for a
can use
meal
that.
for you.
Oh, yeah, you can use
That's
that.
what I'm talking about. Well, thank you for coming in the kitchen with me today, cooking.
Yeah.
Taking time out in the kitchen. Very much appreciated. Hey, I want to thank you again for coming on in the kitchen with me, cooking this good old fried fish.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Everybody wants to know how I got so big. My wife started cooking. I can't leave the table.
Oh my God, stop it.
Look at the food. Tell you. This is a little plate. I really want more.
No, this is what we're going to do with this. I thank you guys. I thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the compliment. I appreciate you. We appreciate you tuning in, checking us out. Y'all be blessed. Go and try this dish, right?
Have a great one.
Have a blessed one. Be blessed. Thank you.